Nokia N78 assembly. You will need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2 and the SS153 in case of replacing the Superkey assembly. Insert the IHF molding assembly. Slightly push it into its place. Insert the side key flexi. Mind the correct positioning. Note the correct positioning while placing the antenna AC. Do not bend the spring contacts of the DC connector. Insert the engine module, beginning at the connector's side. Mind the correct positioning of the fix foil. Close this flex foil connector. Insert the AV Flexi module. Close the flex connector of the AV Flexi module. Place the chassis assembly. Mind the guide. Slightly push it into its place. Check the correct positioning before continuing. Set the correct torque. Apply the correct torque to all screws in the order shown. Bring the LCD near the flex connector. Close the connector. Position the LCD into its compartment. Click all clips into their places. Remove the protection film. Click in the top snaps of the window assembly. Close the flex connector of the UI module assembly. Gently push the rear clips of the UI module assembly into their places. Align the UI module assembly with the window assembly as shown. Click the snaps into their places now. Check that no gaps remain. In case that the UI module assembly must be replaced, the Superkey assembly must be ordered separately. Check that the keys operate before placing the Superkey assembly. Insert the assembly into the SS153. Slowly push down the lever completely. Wait at least 5 seconds to activate the adhesive before releasing the lever.